Let's talk about Lucklystar Earphone Case Mini Hand Pouch Case Cover for Headphones Bag for carrying earbuds, headphones, headset, earphone, key, coin, and other small storage. Dark blue. The earbud carrying case provides with complete protection for your valuable earphone. Keep cable trangle free and away from being damaged, and the soft lining interior can protect your headphone from scratches and damage. The Lucklystar Earphone Case not only for headphones, also storage for MP3, cable, key, change, coin, battery, memory card, USB flash disk and so on, a multifunctional and portable small bag. At the same time, the hard carrying case can protect your headphones away from wet, dirt and dust, very practical. This hard case for headphones is lightweight and compact to fit in your backpack, carry-on or luggage for improved traveling protection. Perfect mini storage case can be put anywhere. Besides, it nearly 360 degrees zips around, which is convenient to open and close by zipper enclosure, that is convenient for you to put your headphone in and out the case. Provide convenient for daily life and travel. The case adopting advanced material, which is stylish and useful. The soft inner cloth lining reduce headphones wear and tear to maximum extent. Put your USB cable in mesh pocket inside, effectively avoid intertwined. Very handy, stops cables getting tangled and damaged in bags.